In this video, we are going to discuss about strings in Java. As you can see on my screen, I have created a class named string demo, inside which I have defined a character C equal to A, and I print this character. I run this program and you can see that character is A. I stored a value A inside a character, say C here. If I want to store more than a single value, you can see an error message come in front of me stating that it is invalid character constant. It means a character variable is allowed to store only single value. But if I want to store more than a single character, I have to use a variable named string s equal to say hello. What exactly I am using? Actually, string is a reference data type which is used in order to store sequence of character. So here I am printing it, say system dot out dot println, and I say string is and I print plus s. Does it works? Let us check. So I run this program and you can see that string is hello get printed. It means in order to store a sequence of character inside Java, we can use string. So actually strings are reference data type that are used in order to store sequence of character inside a variable. You have seen that we have used string like we are using character, char character, we are using string followed by the variable name say s. So I write string s, and as we say characters a c equal to a, I write string s equal to hello. So in this way we are storing some sequence of character inside a variable. So here we have never learned about such type of data type in a string. So string is actually a reference data type. It is known as reference data type because actually it derives from class named string, which is comes to me while I install Java with the package name java.lang. It is actually an inbuilt class which allows user to store sequence of character inside string. So when we write string s equal to hello, what we do? Typing string, we type keyword string, say that Java compiler is using string a inbuilt class. And once we declare a class, we have to declare a variable for it. So as is a reference variable. And as we assign some value inside a variable in a similar way, we are storing a string hello inside it, which is actually an object. So as you know that reference variable is storing an address of an object. In a similar way, in our string, while we created a class, we create a variable s which store object's address. That is, I say hello is stored somewhere at memory location 1001. So s will store 1001, and while we access it using or referring to location 1001, it will help me to get the actual value of string hello there. How strings store the characters? As the characters are arranged in sequence, so string used to arrange the character indexing from 0 and up to the last character, say HELLO. So it index H as 0, E as 1, L as 2, L as 3, and O as 4. So it arranged in consecutive memory locations starting from. So as you know, the string is an inbuilt class, and classes always have some specific functions or methods defined inside it so that we can perform some operations in it. So as we are working on the strings, it definitely comes to me that I have to manipulate the string to compare, search, or extract or format string, for which Java provides me with some inbuilt functions like length, toUpper, toLower substring equals contains an index of. How can I use it? Let us do it practically. Here I know that I have defined a string name hello and I want to find the length. How can I find the length of the string? In order to find length of the string, I copy this statement and paste over here, and after as if you put a single dot, you can get the number of methods provided to you while you are using class string. So here I will use length and you will get a method named length, and while you print you will get that it have total 5 characters inside string is length. Now I want to case the case. I will use method uppercase and lowercase. So as we similarly as we use s dot length, we can use uppercase and lowercase. So I will use s dot to upper, to lowercase, and to uppercase. And we save it and you can find that string all get in smalls and in capital get printed here. As we have used this, we can also use a function named substring to find the indexing of the string or to find some part of the string. So we will use here same system.out.println, and instead of using this, I will use s dot substring. I want to print the index 3. So that is, I want to print, say, I have a word hello here. You can see I have a word hello here, and I want to print from 3. That is, after 3, how many characters are present? I will print LO. So I will use substring 3 here. So when I write string 3, LO get printed over here. In a similar way, if I want to print the index between 2 to 1 to 3, I can give the character between index number 1 to 3 get printed over here. Say EL, you can see here 1 and 3. So I will get a character between 1 to 3. Last, the character at the right get omitted over here. Once we have done with substring, we can also do some more like contains. I have to check whether the character is present inside the string or not. I can use contains. So I will write system dot out dot println, and I will write here s dot contains, and I want to get whether p is present in or not. So again answer, you can see, because p is not present in hello, string is false, and if I replace it by h, I will get result true. In a similar way, if I want to find at particular index location what character is present, I will write s dot index of, and I want to print at which location e is present. It will give me the proper index where e is present at 1. it will get printed 1 here. So in this way you learn that how strings are used, how they are defined, and how we can use methods inside a string. Thank you.